Hello, and in this video we will go over an overview of using ShipStation. For e-commerce team, we use ShipStation. One of the biggest reasons is to be able to check the best weight for a product based off of the service. So, for example, I can do first class mail. Thick envelope is the package type. I can get a rate of $2.54. But if I was using UPS ground, and we'll just say a letter or a box, for example, package, the price could be a lot higher. So this ability to switch back and forth between services and quickly be able to find a price is one of the key reasons why we use ShipStation. Another reason is that whenever a label is created, an order is shipped out, it will communicate with the different marketplaces. So we have this tied in directly to our Magento website, but we could also have it linked into our Amazon or eBay accounts directly. And if for some reason you need to, if there's a couple things to watch out for would be whether or not the address was verified. If there's a problem, the customer typed in something wrong, you could simply select Edit, change the address, hit Save to have it double check, and then move on. Over here you'll notice that there's an internal note that this was actually an Amazon order. And if there's a problem with an order or some kind of notes that we need to take, we could just click on this internal notes. And just click anywhere else, and the note will be saved. One of the other things that we use this for is tracking to see who shipped an order out. We use individual logins so that we know who opened the order, who shipped it, and so forth. All right. Most of everything that we do is going to be in the order section. Once in a blue moon, you'll see something come through as waiting payment. That usually indicates there's an error with the product or with the order. So we would report that to SNS team. And then if we need to look up any previous orders, we can go in the shipped or use our search up here. Look in the search. Occasionally you'll notice that maybe the scale gets disconnected. And those kind of settings are over here in printing. Hit ShipStation Connect. And you'll see all the different printers and devices that are connected. In this case, it's the Mac Pro, that's mine. You could also see other ones as well, and whether or not it should be shared. So we could share the 1536, for example. We could share the printer. And then different users. Like I mentioned over here under user management, if you're an admin on the account, you can assign other users. IWS sales is a generic one that's being used and receiving. But usually each person will get their own login. And you can edit whether you can turn off turn on people's permissions. If you have any problems using ShipStation, we do have a pro level account, so you can actually call them, or you can submit a trouble ticket. And they're pretty good at getting back to you Monday through Friday, or there's a ton of videos on how to do different things. So all in all, ShipStation is pretty easy to use. If you have any questions, any problems, again, you can go through some of the documentations or videos, or call them, or submit a support ticket. Thank you.